Hey folks, this is my brand new 2021 Big Tex 5x8 landscape trailer. I just got it. It has about 100 miles on it so far. This is the model 30SV, 5 foot wide, 8 foot long inside deck. Wood planking. The side rails come up to, let's see if you can see it there. The side rails come up to 22.5 inches. Might be a little hard to see. The top rail is 27 inches. I can't seem to get this thing to focus very good, and then the square tubing is 2-inch square tubing all the way around. And like I said, I just got it. They have LED marker lights all the way around the corners. They have stake pockets on the outside of each corner, and then the fenders are steel. And the front of each fender has this little section here, a little rectangular section that feels like a rhino type of lining, which I assume is probably anti-rock chip type thing, because it's not it's on the forward slope, so it's not for stepping. Let's see here. Overall, you got the easy lube type axles, bearings, excuse me. Tires are a good ride, which I'm not familiar with. It's probably some kind of foreign Chinese type of tire. Like I said, it's brand new, only a couple of minor blemishes. Got one blemish right here, which is, I got some dried up tape. It's probably from when they were shipping it to the dealer. They had it taped or something, or a strap rubbed on it. But otherwise, it's in real good shape. See, another rear stake pocket, LED lights. The rear tail lights are LED inside of rubber grommeted fittings. You got a pretty good sized square tubing bumper here. You got a 4-foot rail gate with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supports. The very top of it is the angle iron as opposed to square tubing. Each side has handles on it of the gate here, make it easier to grab. The pins for the gate are these lift up type rings, linch pins on each side. And oh yeah, the gate is spring assist, so I mean, so it's not gonna, I mean, you can't let the gate fall down on its own, but the spring assist helps to do that. Just assist with the gate lowering up and down. Inside are these welded on tie down points like this in each corner. Here we go. There's one in each corner. The decking is wood, white pine number 2, I believe. And then here's the opposite side of the trailer. Very basic, standard. Their spare tire. It comes with a spare tire mount already attached, and they did a very good job with the mount. It's 2-inch square tubing with a gusset, about a 6-inch long triangular gusset welded to the frame here. It's very sturdy. I doubt very much there will be any kind of wobbling going down the road with a spare tire, which is not included. That is extra. All the corners have these little plastic inserts into the square tubing. So the front of the trailer has your standard A-frame. It is not a wraparound type of tongue, but it's pretty sturdy. This trailer's only rated for 3,000 pounds. And then it has your standard 4-way plug and your basic safety chains, nothing special there. Something new, I think, new to me, is the type of hitch latch by Demco. I haven't seen this before. It's a flat lever like that, and you can just lift it up. It's really easy. And you then close it. Very simple. And then here is the hitch pin lock, that little hole there. That's where you would put your lock or your hitch retainer. They told me you don't need a hitch retainer, a ball retainer rather, that this type of flapping lock will stay put. Personally, I'd rather not take that chance. One other thing about this type of lever flap ball lock is they said that when its trailer is not hooked up and if it's in the down position, all you have to do is just drop it down onto the ball and it will latch itself. You don't have to raise up the lever to hook up the ball. You do need to hook it up, of course, to remove it. Now, one thing about this, they have a 2,000 pound standard trailer jack. Now, one thing that I'm thinking of doing, they mounted this trailer jack in this center section here, and it only leaves 11 inches from this point of the angle iron to the back of this mount here. Now I have this section here, this triangular section, where most trailer jacks go. Now I've checked it out. The thickness of this section here is the same thickness of this middle section here. This is just C-channel welded into the frame. This plate up here is also welded into the frame, and there's ample clearance in this area. I'm thinking of moving this jack up to this area here, and that would give me a lot more room to mount a toolbox in this area here and other accessories and whatnot. So other than that, everything about this trailer is good. One thing I'll also mention here real quick, this front retainer piece that goes across all the way and holds in the boards is screwed in to the frame, not welded in like many other trailers. I think that's a good thing, because when the time comes to service the boards, repaint, replace, all you have to do is unscrew it, and you should be able to get the boards out. Now this is just a quick overview of my brand new 5x8 Big Tex trailer.